Hello everyone, my name is Kylie Brennan and today I'd like to present to you the question that is, what actions, if any, should be taken to censor social media? Now, the censorship of social media has been a problem or topic of conversation for many years now, but in the reality of things, the answer is that there's really no reasonings or any actions that should be taken to censor social media. Now, I understand there will be some audience members who may be skeptical of what I just said, but I do have reasoning as to why I believe this, and I'm sure just as anybody would. But there are many reasons as to why we shouldn't censor social media, but some of the most important ones include the fact that it restricts our First Amendment rights to say what we want to say. Now, I understand the problem with hate speech or something like that, but with social media, we have that freedom to speak what we want to speak about according to our First Amendment right. Not only the First Amendment right is a huge thing to keep in mind, but the social media companies market themselves as platforms and not private businesses, and a platform means that they don't really have the right to restrict people who don't agree with what they believe in. However, we see this extremely often in all forms of social media nowadays, especially social media like Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter. All those social media platforms have been either completely restricting the beliefs or phasing them out slowly. Finally, we need to understand how it creates an echo chamber, is what I like to call it, of only certain people's views, including those of political views, because other people's views have been censored all over social media, especially recently with the presidential election and everything that's been going on over the last year. It's been very hectic, but considering that so many political views have been just shut down because those platforms don't agree with what some people have to say about it. So people only get one-sided opinions, which can be related back to behavior such as the German Nazis, let's say. They only cared about their opinions, and any opinions against theirs they completely silenced. I know that's a little extreme, but I mean, if you think about it, it is something that relates and has common aspects such as now. So no one will really get to see both sides of the story because of the censorship. So today I will be presenting to you my research and going more in depth as to why social media should not be censored and how any actions with goals to do so should not be taken. I hope you all gained some new information and thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.